How to fix WhatsApp desktop app crashing or freezing on Windows. To fix WhatsApp desktop app crashing or freezing on Windows, try 1. Install all the pending Windows updates. 2. Update your WhatsApp desktop app. 3. Disable WhatsApp notifications. 4. Rerun the update.exe at %localapp.a%\WhatsApp file of WhatsApp as administration. 5. Rename the update. .exe. File of WhatsApp. 6. Use the older installation folder of WhatsApp. 6.1 Run the WhatsApp file at %localapp.a%\WhatsApp as admin. 6.2 Plan. B. Run the older WhatsApp client at %localapp.a%\WhatsApp. 7. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall WhatsApp's desktop client.